So how do you set the Google Maps as the default navigation app on your iPhone? Let's begin and let's get started. So if you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you're not going to miss videos like this one. Okay, so the first step is to make sure you have the Google Maps installed on your device. Pretty self-explanatory, but then go to the settings app of your iPhone and then go to the all apps section, which is located at the bottom of the list. From those, just go to the Google Maps applications, or even better, you have the default apps at the top right there. So you can go right here and just go to the navigation section because there are plenty of different types of apps which give you the default selection. So you can go to the navigations, and in my case, I have the choice between Apple Maps and Google Maps. So this is where you get to select it. The difference is, of course, that when somebody sends you like an address and you tap on it, or even in other places, it's going to default and use one of those apps based on your decision here. So that's how you can use it. Keep in mind, however, that you can also go to the Google Maps application specifically, go to your settings, and then check out your default applications. So you can also access it from the other way around, sort of from the Google interface, and in there you also will have some options on how you can do this. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing, but yeah, you will be able to do it this way as well. So let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.